Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if this is the first time Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if this is the first time with you joining me, my name is Sarah, I'm a personal trainer and yoga instructor, and we're going to start with working on our abs. So decide now if you're either going to continue with each exercise throughout and repeat it another 2 times, or you can do one exercise, pause the video, repeat that twice, and then go on to the next one, because the whole aim is to repeat this at least 3 times. Okay, so I'm just going to set the timer, get your water ready, get your music going, and we're going to be starting in 7 seconds. So we're going to be starting with small crunches with our legs up. So we want to make sure our chin is tucked in and we're curling into the abs, okay? So if you think about your elbows coming into your hips, really tight crunch. Keep that going. And if you find your neck starts to bother you, then have your hands behind to support that head slightly. We only have 30 seconds left. So if you can, start speeding it up. So you really start feeling the abs burning. Nice big breaths as you're coming up, blowing out. Hopefully you can see everything. I'm going to twist a little bit. So I'm really curling and crunching in. Woo. Feeling all of my abdominal muscles working. Last one. And relax. So you're either going to pause and repeat, or you're going to move on to the next one with me, which is going to be flutter legs. So just so I can prepare you, hands underneath, slightly underneath the bottom, legs out. Nice quick flutter movement, okay? Going in 3, 2, and 1. Now if you're finding your back is bothering you, just bring your legs up higher, and as your abs get stronger, you can bring them down lower. I'm kind of slacking, my legs should be all the way down here, but I've done abs like twice today with clients, and I'm in pain, but no excuse, let's keep going. I'll let you know when we're halfway, just keep those legs moving. Okay, at the halfway point, even if you feel like stopping, just take the legs up, make it a bit easier on your back and your abs, and then take it back down when you're ready. Come on, 18 seconds left. Just relax that head and neck down, shoulders down into the mat. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I felt that one. Okay, so next up, let me just check my notes. Hip hop twist. So some of you, if this is for my clients, you may not or may have done this, but you're going to have your hands out to the side, going to lift the hips up and twist to each side of the mat. Okay? So let's begin. You kind of use your legs as momentum, kind of bring yourself up and twist over. Pushing the palms into the floor. You may find that you end up right at the bottom of your mat, which is totally normal, but just try and keep your body in place. Come on, keep it up. Now if you can, for the last 30 seconds, we're going to keep our legs up straight and really just use the hips to twist from each side to the other. Come on, keep going, 15 seconds. So you can see, just twisting the hips from one side over to the other side. 4 seconds left. And relax. Back to the center. Next up, we're going to be going for one leg bridges. So you're going to be placing one foot on top of the knee, and we're going to be thrusting up. So every time you're thrusting, you really want to squeeze your bottom, okay? So we're going to do 30 seconds on one side, 30 on the other. In 3, 2, 1. So imagine you're firing something from your hips straight up. Nice big movement, squeezing that glute. Whew. 6 seconds. 2 and 1, straight over again. Come on, keep it up nice and high. Each time you do this, you're going to find it a little bit easier. 10 seconds. Come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so next up we have knee overs. Oh, lovely. Okay, so again, arms out to the side. We're going to have the knees up, feet off the ground, and you're going to be bringing the knees over from one side over to the other side. And begin. Nice, big breaths again. This one is really good just to stretch out your back too, as well as working your abs and your waist. Trying to keep those shoulders on the ground as we're bringing the knees over. Focus on using the abs to bring the knees back up. Good, keep that going. Come on, just twist it over. Just keep thinking you're getting the first one done and out of the way. Try not to let those knees touch the ground. So my thighs slightly touch the ground. 15 seconds. Whew. Last 10 seconds, coming up, come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, back to the center. Okay, so now we have crisscross legs and leg hold. So we're going to be holding our legs in an outward position like so for 30 seconds. Then after the 30 seconds, we're going to twist. Not twist, crisscross. 3, 2, 1. Get those legs out. So I suggest keeping them high at first. Maybe count to 10. Each time you get to 10, you want to just bring them down a bit. Whew. 3 seconds, 2, 1, start crisscrossing. Oh gosh, these ones you will feel it in the hips and the inner thighs. So I'm just crunching up just to make it a little bit more intense. But if you want, you can just lay back down. Oh gosh, come on, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Well done. Okay, now stop, rewind, and let's do this all over again. The aim is 3 times to repeat this. You will really see a difference in your entire core as well as your waist as well. So thank you again for joining me. And if you don't know me, my name is Sarah. Don't forget to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Every little helps. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll be back soon. Bye.